Tomorrow night, Andrew Hozier-Byrne performs to his first home crowd in over 4 years. And I was lucky enough to catch up with him before soundcheck for a nice, relaxed chat. It's all very calm.
It's nice. It's kind of I get a day at home, which is great.
When was the last time you saw your bed before that?
I couldn't tell you. About a month, maybe. Maybe 4 or 5 weeks, something like that.
You're very composed now. Do the nerves start jangling as you get towards showtime?
A little bit. It's always different show to show, and I think home shows in particular, you really want to put your best foot forward and you want it to go well. But I think, yeah, it definitely, I'm sure I'll have, some restlessness.
Congratulations, by the way. A mere 2 billion streams and rising of Take Me to Church.
Yeah.
How did you celebrate that?
Did I celebrate it? I didn't really celebrate it, I mean, I'm just thrilled. I'm thrilled at that song. If any of my songs could have been this kind of crossover hit like that into the pop world, I'm delighted and proud that it was that song in particular. Yeah.
There is the small matter of a new album, Unreal Unearthed.
Oh, yeah.
It starts wonderfully with the Selby Part 1 and 2. Part of it is sung as Gaeilge. Are you a fluent Irish speaker?
I'm not. I used to be far, far better. Coming out of school, I was decent. I was fair decent. I do love the idea of singing in it. It also just sounds beautiful to my ear. And then sing it to crowds in America who will learn those words and sing it back to you. And there's something that really excites me too,
It's been an amazing journey, 10, 12 years. What are the 3 or 4 things you wouldn't swap for anything? The real pinch-me moments.
A few years ago, Brandy Carlisle invited me to dinner that was taking place at Joni Mitchell's house. It was just to play some music around Joni and just like, cause she said she sort of missed music being played.
I gotta be a fanboy. What's Joni like?
I'll be honest with you, I just sort of sat and was kind of awestruck and that I was there and just listened to her tell stories. You kind of feel like you're in the presence of a minor god, of a kind of a living Orpheus,
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy is Hozier at the moment?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good, I'm in a good place. This band are a joy to work with and tour with and, to live alongside. And I'm just excited to get this music out to people,
Hozier, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you, Stuart.